Hey guys, so today we are hiking and it's snowing and we are kind of lost. We don't know where the parking lot is. And it says the trail is over there, but I only see rocks. So I don't know what's up.
What was the trail name?
Trail name?
Yep.
Is I forgot. We are here now at the basin, right there. Just like what, 5 minutes?
Yeah, it's
5 minutes into the walk, okay? Right? This is so worth it.
It's actually 2 minutes because the girl.
Oh yeah, we had to take some pictures for some girls, right? What? So nice. Look at the water, it's so clear. Okay, so we are doing the Basin Cascade Trail. So I guess we're gonna hit all of this. It's pretty neat. We already saw so much. You cold?
No, I'm fine.
I'm cold.
It's New England, man. New England.
2 minutes in again. We got all this.
Can't wait till summer or spring.
Endless waterfalls. We met a couple people that said that it might be a little difficult to get over because, well, the bridge is gone and the rocks are icy, but we're gonna try and still make it over. But hopefully it's nice and hopefully we don't get stuck in the water because it is pretty cold. And they said that it might snow a little more later, so hopefully it doesn't. How you doing, Tuan?
Good, good.
Whew. Oh, it's slippery. Okay, so this whole area across the river, like we said earlier, is all ice. So we really had to be selective and climb over using this branch coming up there. Actually, where is it? I don't know, up there. And then we climb over here. So many ice patches. His turn to do it. So this is where the bridge is taken down. So I guess that we have to follow the trail marking over there. Yeah, that's probably a bad idea. You're gonna fall right through, man.
I think it's harder. Nah, it's only crack around there. There's no crack around here.
You know what you have to do? You have to do like the penguin style. You have to be flat so it doesn't break. You have all these people.
Yeah. Oh damn, did you hear that?
Yeah, that shit echoed.
Alright, ready?
Yeah.
Oh.
That's ice, all ice. Can we see how far we can go out there? You wanna do that?
Rope. We have a rope, I'll do it.
I literally just like walked down where he just stepped and it cracked. Right here. Apparently I'm the fat ass.
Yeah, you are.
Okay, so right now we're making a fire, or we're gonna attempt to. Since this is pretty dry, even though it has snow on it, you don't want to burn through this. So I found rotten wood that's frozen over, so there's no way that this base is going to burn up. Then we're probably gonna stack some of this up, and then some of the smaller twigs, and he's got some pine for the mosquitoes, right?
Yo, you need to get that pine smell. You're outdoor, yo.
Making fire.
It's too new, right?
Alright, this is Twan making fire. So we couldn't get the fire going after like half an hour, so we went to the hut, which is pretty nice. It's warm, it has solar power, so all this electricity. And then there are people here.
We're keep prepared.
We just ate, and now we're gonna head down in a bit. But I think it's gonna get dark really soon. Yeah, but you can't really tell through the camera, but it's pretty dark. But he brought some of the lights, so hopefully they'll work. We are heading down. It is 4 o'clock. Let's see if we can get down without dying. Oh, and it's snowing. Oh. We struggling, bro.
Is there a tree there now?
What? Over there.
Sure.
Yeah, you see it? Or, I mean, you can either go this way.
Yeah. Let's go this way.
Ladies first. Oh, ice. Foot is all wet. You just crossed it. Battle wounds, yo. Battle wounds. And it's completely soaked. Oh man.